Welcome to YoGaEun channel. This content is our Friday Miracle Morning Yoga series. We are doing this to feel good for our body and mind. Let's get started with kneeling position at the back of the mat. Place your hands on your thighs. Close your eyes. Be conscious of your breath. Walk your hands to the top of the mat, child pose. Allowing your chest to relax, allowing those hips to ground into your mat, allowing your head to be heavy. We'll go ahead and bring hands to the right side, stretching through the side body. Ground your sit bones down. Feel that space on your left rib cage. Bring your hands back to center. Go ahead and around onto the left. Extend a little bit deeper into your right side body. Inhale, exhale, draw yourself back to center. From table position, we are going to start drawing circles. Feel the movement of the joint, your knees, hips, wrist, shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more circle. And then alternate the rotation. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more circle. Back to center. Bring your fingertips toward your knees. Gently move your body back and forth. Observe how your wrists feel today. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Then fingertips towards the top of the mat. Then fingertips toward each other. Move your body side to side, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Then bring your fingers toward the top of the mat. Bring your right foot between your hands. Place your hands on your knees. Lift the upper body, hands to a prayer pose. Place your left tricep on your right outer thigh. Twist your spine to the right. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Back to center. Right foot one step forward. Lengthen your spine. Flex your right foot. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Move your hips left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Release the tension on your hips, left and right. Right sole of the foot to the mat, hands on your knees, low lunge. The front knee is bent in a 90-degree angle directly above the ankle. Top of the back foot pressed firmly into the earth. Hands to the mat, right foot back to table pose. Take your left foot in between your hands. Bring your hands on your knees, hands to your heart center, twist to the left. Deep breath here. Keep lengthening your spine. And think about your hands are getting close to your heart. Release, hands to the mat. Take your left foot one step farther and extend. Square your hips. Flex your left foot. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Point. Flex. Move your hips left to the right, left, right, left, right. Gentle movement, left, right, left, right. Last, left, right. Back to center. Bring that left sole of the foot to the mat. Hands are on your knee, low lunge. Inner thighs towards each other. The pelvis is tucked under. Ribcage is lifted. Your spine is extended. One more deep breath in. Exhale, hands to the mat. Left foot back to table pose. Walk your hands forward to the top of the mat. Then bring your forehead on the mat. Arms extended out in front, pressing downward for a deeper stretch. Feel that space on your spine and shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Walk your hands back, lift your chest. Close your eyes. Be conscious of your breath. Bring your hands to your heart center. Rub your palms to create heat. Then bring that heat on your eyes. It will help to reduce fatigue on your eyes. Just relax. Place your hands to your heart center. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining this Miracle Morning series. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and make your own playlist so that we can keep practicing together. Have a wonderful day. See you next week.